Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a kind of unusual video for me because in this video I'm not going to speak about diamond painting or beaded cross-stitch kit that I am also into, but I will show you the progress a little bit better when it comes to my beaded cross-stitch kit. But in this video I would like to unbox one of the paint by numbers kits and tell you where I got it. If you follow my channel, you should remember that last year, maybe in summer, almost a year ago, I decided to try paint by numbers. I've never done it before. I'm not really very good at drawing, but I always like to paint or color, so I decided to try one of the kits, paint by numbers kits, because they were highly advertised. And since you know my passion for cottages and houses, I decided to try this one from Dimensions. And to tell you the truth, it looked so complicated. Maybe this one is more for advanced painters, not for the beginners. So I was kind of afraid, and I'm still afraid to try it. So very complicated. This is the part of the pattern. Not diagram, yeah, pattern. I mean the chart. This is the part of the chart that consists of a few pages. So in any case, one day I went to Michael's, maybe a few weeks ago, and there I saw Artist Loves Pay to Number kits. To tell the truth, I would not purchase them, but they were 70% off. They were on 70% off sale. The original price was around $15, but I got each kit for $4.50. I mean, the temptation was too strong, and I thought that I would regret if I do not buy it for such a low price. $4.50 is very low. So, more than that, as far as I understand, these kits are more for the beginners than Dimensions one. So I can practice on this one and then I can try Dimensions once I have more experience in painting by numbers. So they are all standard, they are all of standard size, 40 by 50 centimeters, 16 by 20 inches. The kitty at the window, the car, Christmas, and they all, of course, Christmas related. And the doggy in the blanket next to the Christmas tree. So we're going to open one today. If you are interested to see how the rest look, but again, they're all standard, please let me know and I will record another video where we will unbox these two. Today we will unbag this beautiful kitty at the window. That's how it comes packaged. It comes with a wooden hanger, which is a plus. This way we don't have to worry about buying a frame. And apart from the canvas itself, the hanger, this kit includes 24 colors, as for instance acrylic ones, a set of brushes, 4 brushes, plus the accessories for the hanger. To tell you the truth, and this is the preview of the image that is on the canvas. To tell you the truth, I was very pleasantly surprised to find different brushes, because in Dimensions kit there was only one brush. Sorry for the cracking sound on my floor. Can you imagine? Look at the areas that I needed to be painted. There are different ones, wider, big ones, small ones, wider, narrow. I mean, you can do all this with one brush. There should be a set of different brushes. So I was kind of disappointed when I saw only one brush in there. This company, Artists Loft, included a set of 4, at least in this kit. Not sure about the other kits. So that's how it looks. Now let's look at the paints. As far as I understand, they are acrylic ones. And then we will check the canvas itself. So very conveniently to use. I'm not sure if this very kit is going to require blends. But dimensions, again, that's why I mentioned that it is more for the advanced painters. That one requires blends, so it has like paints, but you need to blend them with each other, mix them. I'm not a fan of that. So these are the brushes and different kind of bolts, whatever they are, for the hanger. Look, really nice. The kit also comes with the instructions on how to assemble the hanger, the chart on a piece of paper. Here it is. And of course, there is a chart on the canvas itself. But it is not as detailed as this one. The resolution is better on this one. And this is the canvas itself. As you see that the numbers, symbols, if it is possible to say, the areas to paint are not as clear as on the chart that I just showed you on the paper. So as to the canvas, I was really very surprised that apparently this canvas is on a fabric. Has the fabric material. Well, at least it feels like the fabric, not as the paper. Here it is, 40 by 50 centimeters. So I can't even fit it in my coffee table. I mean bed table. Here it is. Let me put the paper chart. Do you see the difference? The areas to paint are more clear here on the piece of paper, since they're darker. So in any case, this is the paint by number kit that I might start whenever I have time, or if I get tired of beaded cross stitch and diamond painting, which I guess will never happen. I'm kidding. Now, I would like to show you my progress. I started the 9th page out of 23 yesterday, and I'm bead stitching kind of like the second row, the second part. It consists of 4 parts. So I completed this one, the first one. This is the second one, and there are going to be 2 more parts, 2 more rows, consisting of 6 pages down. So very pretty. And this is the rhinestone. I like it. I ordered one more from the Bead of Magic. I don't know how they call it. Yeah, Bead of Magic, I think, in English. And as soon as I get that, I will show you that kit. This is the original image. I did only this part. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.